This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to place text on a picture in Google Docs. So right here in Google Docs on an untitled document, I have some placeholder text just inserted here so we can do these videos. Now, I have this space down here for the image. What we are going to do to actually add the image and the text is we will come up to the top to insert. We click on insert in the toolbar. Now we don't want image here, we actually want drawing. So we'll come about halfway down to drawing. We will hover over there, come across, and we'll click on new. So now we have this canvas. So this is the canvas window. This is the canvas within Google Docs. First thing we'll do is add the image and then a text. So hover over this image icon right here. It says image when you hover over. Now, once you've clicked that, there's a few different ways. You can add an image directly from your computer using browser, which is what I'll show you right here in just a second. We can also add from a webcam if you want to do that by a URL. You can add from photos, from Google Drive, and from Google Images itself. So what we will do is we'll click on browse and have a pre-prepared image right here from Unsplash, this nice mountain landscape. We will click open, and that will add this nice high quality image to our canvas right here. So we have our picture. We will now hover over this one right here in the middle, the two T's, that is the text box. And once that is selected, we can put the text anywhere. So let's go there. We have added the text just above the mountains. And we're going to say these are mountains. Very original. And we'll even put an exclamation mark right there. So now we can highlight this. We can do things like all the usual, you know, we can make it bigger. These are mountains, look at that. We can change this to make it more aligned. We can also move it around like that, all your usual stuff. If you want to change your font, if you wanted to go from Arial to Helvetica New, we can go bold like that. We can change the bold, we can turn it off, we can do italics if we want to, underline, all the usual stuff. We can even change the font color as well in the usual way. There we go, we got a nice green. That looks pretty bad, but there you go. We can move it around, whatever you want to do. I'm not going to finesse it and go too granular here, but you have all your usual granular details that you can change, alignment and so on and so forth with the text. But now we have our picture, we have our text. All that's left to do is click save and close in the top right. And just like that, there you go, it's added. Our image is in there now with the text on it. We've got our picture and the text. Hopefully you have found this video on how to add text to a picture in Google Docs. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.